we had kind of stopped exercising between kids and residency, and it gets to a point, where you're telling all your patients to exercise all the time, and I kind of fallen off the wagon.
I think it's really easy to always prioritize other things above fitness and staying active. So the nice thing with this is that we knew we were signing up for a good cause, and we knew that the UConn family would sort of hold us accountable. And so it was a nice goal to have.
When it was clear that our area was going to be heavily affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, I was actually pulled into the hospital. I put all this effort into creating a training schedule, which then was, literally upended by the pandemic because my whole work schedule changed.
He was coming home late, and I was, with the kids trying to juggle bedtime routine and keeping everything running at home. So I definitely put training on hold as well when he went inpatient.
The sort of mental and emotional toll was weighing on me, and I knew I had to do something.
And then we said, you know what, we got to get back running. So we just kind of reworked it and figured out a way that we could both get our run in most days out of the week.
You feel better physically, you feel like you have more energy, I sleep better at night.
The important thing to remember is that you don't need to be an athlete to start exercising. I mean, when I started training for this, I could not run more than a mile. And now the longest run we did last week was 9 miles. So with enough training and perseverance, you can get yourself back in shape.
It's just such a great way to deal with stress. And the stress that we have had lately with the pandemic has been like nothing we've ever dealt with before. And the running was really helpful to getting me in the right headspace to keep taking care of patients.
I really encourage everyone to try to, take a step back and look at what they could do to add a little bit of fitness back in their daily lives. We've already mapped out our run through the town of Simsbury. It will be 13.1 miles ending right at our driveway. So that way our kids can cheer us on from the front yard.